Hello everyone. Today I want to do a vlog on just me cooking some alkaline foods. I have here in my skillet already some cut up zucchini with some black pepper. I'm flipping them over now. I already cut them. And I'm preparing to cook some quinoa that I already rinsed out. And I'm preparing water in this pot so that I can boil it for 15 minutes. This is just a meal, an alkaline meal that I'm posting. So, trying to clean up my way of eating by eating alkaline foods. If you're interested in eating alkaline meals, this is just a meal that I'm preparing. It just consists of alkaline zucchini with a little black pepper on it. And then I have some quinoa over here that's rinsed down. I'm going to cook that for 15 minutes. And I'll be having quinoa with some zucchini. This is about ready to go in. I'm pouring the pouring the quinoa into the water that's boiling. And that only takes about 15 minutes to cook. Always rinse off your quinoa. This is the extra quinoa that I purchased from Walmart, so it doesn't cost that much, less than $5 a pack for that is 16-ounce bag, and it's organic, so. Okay, the zucchini look like it's just about done. Doesn't take long to cook this. I chop it up and put some black pepper on it. Let that cook for, just let it brown for a little bit, and that's done. I got my quinoa boiling. That only takes about 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna set the timer here. $15 minutes. Then you turn your oil down so it can cook slow. You're supposed to cover it, but I'm not going to cover it. Excuse me.
We'll get one. Give me one.
Okay, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Well,
Give me one.
stuck my knife on it.
So, go ahead.
Okay. You got something to put it on?
Yeah, put it in my hand.
It's hot.
It's alright.
Okay. He's going to try it out.
Don't put me on that.
Let me know. Let me know how you like it.
That's like the okra.
You like okra, don't you? See? It's good. You like it? I only had one zucchini, so I'm going to pick up some more zucchini tomorrow. Usually I prepare the zucchini with some onions. and chop it up, and I have it over some quinoa. So let's do some shopping tomorrow, and then yeah. And that's boiling. So yeah, so when that gets done, I'll just add that to the zucchini. You can add some black pepper, some spices, any spice you like. It's a quick meal, doesn't take long, less than 15 minutes to prepare both dishes. And there you have an alkaline meal. If you like this video and would like to see more alkaline meals, please click the like button, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.